All right, coming to you live from the 2021 Newmar private showing of the prototypes of the coaches. So here we are. This is a 2021 Ventana. This is a new floor plan. There's no actual winners and losers in this, but I'm going to give this best of show as far as new floor plans go. This is a 4329, completely different idea than what I have seen before. I've been doing this a little while, so I don't get surprised very often. So let's take you through it. Up front, you're going to see they really haven't changed much in the dash area on the Ventana. This one's on a Freightliner chassis, so full digital dash. Everything incorporated into this stock over here, like we've had in the past, and you know, solid wood cabinetry and dual pane windows and fiberglass roof, and all those things are going to be very normal and continued on from previous year. Of course, driver passenger seat will spin around to become part of the living area. Nice long sofa over here. This is a flex steel hide-a-bed sofa with the two flex steel ottomans. Makes into a very nice sofa bed and a booth dinette that will also drop into a bed. So with that, this coach will easily sleep 5 or 6 people. 6 if a couple of them are small, we'll say. Good size TV on the televator there, and good viewing angles from either the driver's seat or any of the sofa seats, or even you could sit here and watch TV if you like it up close. Let's move into the kitchen. L-shaped kitchen, which is always a nice feel. Okay, good cabinet storage here. I like the amount of kitchen cabinet storage, upper and lower. That's split too, so you have good storage above and below. And then drawers galore. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 drawers. So not going to open all of them. Like I said, these aren't supposed to be full-length videos. These are just little teasers that you see here, but I do think there's a good amount of kitchen storage here. Across from that is our Whirlpool residential refrigerator. Little pantry here, a little more pantry here. This has adjustable shelves in it, which is nice. So between the two, I'd say more than adequate pantry space. This is where it gets interesting. Okay. This hallway. Well, this hallway's a little snug. Well, remember there's trade-offs, folks. Got a little storage down here as well. There's always trade-offs, and if we lose something, we gain something. What did we gain? How about a 2-bedroom motorhome? I said it. 2-bedroom motorhome. Come on into bedroom number 1. All right, we have bunk beds above and below. So this is perfect if you have children, grandkids, want to just use this for storage, all of the above. There's a nice closet Tony's going to get a shot of behind it there. It's actually a deep wardrobe. There is a television in here. This is tight with 2 people in here, I'll tell you that. Drawers galore down through here. Storage above, Samsung television. Storage below the bunks, emergency egress window on the bottom bunk. I like the new design on the door they're doing. Straight across from here, we actually have the egress door. So there's our regular egress door. So that was bedroom number 1. More storage. They really maximize the amount of storage in this coach. It's lots of little cubbies instead of humongous cubbies. Bathroom is not bad at all. Pretty good sized bathroom. They added the seat in this one. That's optioned in. Central shower walls in the shower area. Plenty of room. I'm not going to step in there because they do have that seat down and it's kind of in the way a little bit, but plenty of room in this bathroom. And then of course we walk back into here and we have a bedroom with a king bed. Very roomy master bedroom, like any of the Newmar floor plans. So totally different idea. Didn't see this one coming. Washer dryer back here in the back wall. Nice wardrobe closet. So how about that? A 2-bedroom motorhome. Again, this is the Ventana. No huge changes. Again, Ventana just got a life cycle change last year, so no reason to do wholesale changes. They kept most of the old floor plans. They did away with one, and they added this one to the equation. So again, 4329 Ventana, 2-bedroom motorhome. Thanks for watching.